Hey, that just means you're riding good, dude, if you're breaking my bike.
Let's grab a tool and...
Because it wouldn't, I tried to put it up, reverse it.
Oh, you go.
Made to Seattle. Woo! This looks pretty spooky dooky. Steve's just blazing through here. He's going 100. Fuck, he's going 100. What if they find this camera at the crash site? It's like us fucking going into a tree.
Oh, yeah.
You're flying down, like up this and just fucking flying to a tree. Both of us just die on impact. I'm so nervous for my life. Now it's like you got me in the same position I had you in when I was driving on the mountain in the Jeep.
Oh my god, Gemini Bridges?
Yeah.
That was easily, dude, Mason, that was one of the sketchiest fucking things I'd ever seen in my life. Driving over a fucking 1,000-foot cliff and you're hanging out the fucking window.
Yeah, I want to get a good view. How else am I going to get a good view if I'm not hanging out the fucking window?
That was so scary, dude.
You were like begging me to get back in the car.
Hell no, dude, I was fucking pissed. You're hanging out the window and it's like a 1,000-foot drop. I'm like, what the fuck?
You looked so scared. You were like, I put the camera over to you and you were like, look so like scared.
Well, yeah, I mean, I didn't want to fucking fall off a 1,000-fucking-foot cliff.
You just had to trust me. That's how I trust you right now.
That's the thing, I don't.
Well, just how I trust you right now, you gotta just trust me. It's just something you gotta do.
True.
Damn.
This view looks crazy. Holy fuck. Yeah, let's just go this way. Fuel? I'll try to call out any stuff. We'll give him a second. I'm just trying to, you know, brake a little bit, make sure he's all right. It's only his second time on the bike. Yeah, Mason.
Those guys go around because I was going a little slow.
How's she feeling so far?
It's good, definitely more technical. Fuck.
Yeah, it's a lot trickier, huh?
And then like a couple times, like I gotta keep your feet like this because like if I do anything like that, it's fucking hitting. I'm like, oh fuck. Yeah.
Pay attention to like the rocks and the roots, because there's certain ways to like this. You don't want to ride the fucking root like that because you're gonna get hit around. Like you either want to go that way or this way. So like try to pay attention to your lines. Yeah. Like be strategic with where you go. Hike a bike. Thank you. You got it? Here. Why do you need a chainsaw when you got guns, baby?
Thank you. People are dropping right here too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this looks fun. Should I go this way for the first time? For sure. Yeah.
This way?
Yeah, this way.
Yeah, this doesn't look bad. It honestly doesn't, but...
Could you roll? This would be a tough one to roll.
Yeah, that's the normal one. You can do a ride around to the right though.
I'll definitely try that.
Yeah, I might ride around this round.
Yeah.
But, okay, that's
Yeah,
good
that
to
looks
know
sketchy.
about. Actually,
It's not bad.
no, it isn't.
It's really not bad at all.
It's just
probably shoot right through here.
Yeah. Like, you think you're gonna get like bucked off that route, it doesn't do anything.
You kind of like go down and lip off of that.
Yeah. Kind of want to do the right one. I've done it before. It's like surprising how not fast you have to go into it too.
No, it doesn't look like you need to go fast.
It's really not that bad. Yeah, baby, let's fucking go. Easy fucking money. Oh my god. Let's fucking go. Oh my god. Oh.
sound of that.
Oh, dude, that felt so good.
Yeah,
Oh my god, my heart was...
7-foot drop.
Huh?
A good 7-foot drop.
Yeah, man. Oh, let's go. That was so smooth. Oh, dude. Oh my god, my heart is beating out of my chest. I was so... Look at that. Oh, let's go. Oh my god. Gets a little janky here.
Yeah.
Everybody's alive.
Good stuff, eh?
Oh,
Yeah.
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 Where's Mason?
He's coming. We were trying to stop like very incrementally to make sure.
That last big drop. And
So I heard this is his second time
Did you
riding
do the big
mountain
drop?
bikes. How is he doing?
Good. He's doing real good, dude.
Oh, good.
Dude, seriously, he's ripping it.
Does he have any
like 3
like
levels to
MX
it.
background or anything?
Yeah, he's got he was doing moto. He did motocross.
He'd be fine.
Yeah, exactly.
Probably
Exactly.
pretty sendy in, eh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he loves sending the shit. He's just got to get used to it a little bit. Yeah. I might go up there.
Me.
$3,000 and that's a
All
damn
right.
good deal.
Yeah, it was a good bike.
All right, I'm gonna
I
go
think I paid 4 for
and
that.
check it out.
Yeah, make sure he's chill, bro.
Yeah. Oh shit. I don't know why, dude. It's been doing that lately.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wipeout.
You did wipe out?
Before it came off, or yeah, before it came off, that wasn't like bad. I just fucking hit the brakes and then I just like I just fell to the side, but I felt pretty soft. With that.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. Like I slid out, you know, like I must have braked or something.
Yeah.
I was like, and I just kind of slid sideways, but
Yeah.
didn't really hurt at all. It was the softest landing I've ever had. Good, bro. Chain fell off.
Oh,
Right,
yeah,
like,
look
I-
at that.
like, the last like fucking 100, 200 feet, so I was like, all right, I gotta keep the momentum going, and I didn't make it all the way. Dude, you got my freaking GoPro all dusty.
You got mud on my girl.
Dude, I told you not to get fucking mud on it.
Mason's the kind of dude to complain about his iceberg being too cold.
Nah,
You can't have that. You can't taste it.
I like it melty.
yeah, there, seriously.
I like it melty. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it's a nice view up here too.
Nice view of those
I have
butts.
the walkie on me. I don't know what we're gonna use it for, but I have it.
I was just thinking with him if he got that
Poor buddy shit himself.